A very good morning, students. Today is English period. English Barbati Standard 7. See in bracket. The father of Abdul, who is a schoolmaster, एक शाळेतील शिक्षक, is getting ready to go to school. Now, situation is at home, place is home, and time is of morning, and his father is ready for school. See the first conversation, Abdul. The story starts with the Abdul. Abdul says, Father, to knowledge and erection. Knowledge, erections means learning, scholarly work. Scholar work is called erection. I aspire to study hard and deep. Deep means he wants to study more in deep. For that, books I require. See, he didn't want any gift, cycle, bike, dress, cloth, but what he wanted a books. His quench for the books. I require, will you lend me a little gold? See, these lines are very important. He said to his father that he didn't demand. He requests for his father, will you or can you give me? Will you lend me a little gold? Books are gold for the father. He knows the situation of his father. His father's condition is very poor. So he requests for mother, will you give me the books? That is gold for me. Books, see, his father say, books I will buy and study to rise high in the world. Why he wanted the books? He said to his father that I want the books to study hard and to rise very high in the world. See, this is a phrase, to rise very high to rise, which is the phrase, see again, to rise very high. म्हणजे खूप उंच स्थानी जायचं आहे. आय वॉन्ट टू गो अप व्हेरी हाय इन द स्काय, इन द वर्ल्ड, टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. एनी पर्सन कॅन गो व्हेरी हाय इन द वर्ल्ड, इन टॉप पोझिशन, नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ वेल्थ. He want wealth, but which type of wealth? If he have a wealth of knowledge, and wealth of knowledge we can get by study. What his father say? Let's see. His father. Only the first half of the month has passed. फक्त अर्धा महिना संपला. But alas, it is a interjections. It is a what? Interjection. The money doesn't last. This whole question is the example of exclamations. So exclamation mark is here. Okay. Great books and manuscripts are so expensive. His father said that you want books. It is good, but these manuscript means the books which are written by the hand, that is called manuscripts, are very expensive, very costly. They are treasure. See, books are what? Books are the treasure. Treasure, sampati. Wealth, rare and exclusive. Which things are rare? Definitely that particular thing is the expensive. Rare, durmil, which have in less number. But from my school, he didn't deny his son, but he said that I will try to borrow. I will try to borrow from where? From my books. That will take you to brighter tomorrow. I can't afford to buy books from the shops because these are too much expensive, but dear, I can borrow you from my school for your brighter tomorrow. Abdul says, that will be great. How eagerly I wait. In the evening, when father returns, Abdul was waiting for his father. Father came. Abdul says, how many books could you get? He asked the question to his father. Oh, exclamation mark again. Interjections. Now my life will be all set. Life will be all set. It is a phrase here. All set. Father says, I'm sorry, son. Couldn't lay my hands on even one. I tried much, but I couldn't get one book also. Course. Poor Abdul is sad and dejected. Ponder why my wishes are thus rejected always. Continues to do his daily course, daily work. Reads borrowed books in the tens and scores. Scores meaning is sets of 20 here. Scores. An idea then crossed his mind to serve the rich and get paid in kind. Let's see what Abdul will do.